Hello and welcome to Penton UK. This is a video tutorial on how to load and then play files from an external USB drive. Initially, please make sure you've selected the Setup 1 menu and then the Media Settings tab at the top of the screen. On the left of the screen, under File Storage, you'll see Disk C. This refers to the internal memory within the TERRACOM module. Once you've inserted your USB drive, please refresh the screen and you'll notice Disk D then appears, listing all the files that exist on that drive. To then create your playlist, select the files you wish to add and then you'll see them appear on the right hand side of the screen under Playlist Setting. Once complete, add your playlist name and set the amount of repetitions you'd like. By selecting a high repetition count, you'll ensure the USB playlist autoplays continuously. To confirm, click Save to External, meaning the playlist and its settings are also saved to the USB drive. Next, head back to the left of the screen under Setting Options and select Repeat All to ensure all tracks are played. Also, choose Detect by External, meaning whenever the USB is inserted into that particular TERRACOM device, it will autoplay. Then click Save. In the top right hand corner of the screen, you can see what is currently playing on the TERRACOM module, and in this case you'll notice that a local line input is playing. To adjust this so your USB is the source, in the bottom left of the screen, under External Playlists, you'll find your newly saved playlist. Check the box next to this list and then click Save. The page will then refresh, and in the top right hand corner you'll see the playback has changed from line to message, meaning your USB is now the source. If you were to remove the USB drive, it will return to the line source option, and then by reinserting the USB, it will revert to message. Please make sure you subscribe to our Penton UK channel for updates on further TERRACOM training videos. Thank you for watching.